Hi everybody! Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. Hope you are fine, fit and healthy. The situation is not good around us now. The COVID-19 is still there, and the most painful part is the children are getting affected at this time. Friends, do not go out unless it is very urgent. And if you go out, wear double masks and sanitize your hands. When you come back to home again, sanitize yourself and then wash your hands with soap. It is locked down through the whole country, so all restaurants are closed. We cannot eat anything outside, and junk food is also not good for us in this time. So we have to build up our immunity. For that, we need to drink lots of water, eat fresh fruits and vegetables, and we have to also eat protein. And please avoid eating junk food. If we eat lots of junk food, we cannot fight against COVID-19. I know a lot of my friends love to eat pizza. Even I like to eat pizza. But pizza is not good for us in this time. So, in this video, I will make a healthy pizza. This pizza is made out of fruits. It will help us build our immunity power. I learned this pizza from you can eat this pizza anytime you want, but not at night. You can eat it after breakfast, in the afternoon, and don't eat ice cream or cold things. You can eat the pizza as a dessert. So let's go. I'm showing you how to make the pizza. And friends, please take a parent's help to cut the fruits. So now, let's start making our fruit pizza. I will show you what we will need to make our pizza. We will need some watermelon, but I have cutted two small types of pizza. One is big slices and one is small slices. So we need watermelon. I have cutted the watermelon pieces in triangle shapes, and I am using the watermelon pieces as the pizza base. I have got some curd, some dry fruits, and you can use any types of fruits you like. I have used mangoes, some apples, bananas, and pomegranates. And I will show you how to cut the banana. As I told you, you need to take a parent's help to cut the fruits, but I will show you how to cut the banana yourself. So I'm showing you now. Let's take the bananas. Wow, so heavy. Okay, here. I know everyone knows how to peel a banana. I also know how to peel the bananas. Wow. Okay, so peel the bananas. Banana too. Whoa. Okay, just there. There. And there. Whoop, still some wasting. Yeah. Now, okay, I'll keep this just here. So, I'll keep the banana. I don't know if I need two bananas. And this. This part? Yeah. Part. Yeah. So now, everybody, don't hold the and everybody go get a spoon. Don't hold the spoon like this. Hold the spoon just like this. And now, you can cut it as like a knife. See? I'm cutting the bananas. One banana. Look. you see pizza sauce when you eat your pizza. I love sauce. Wow. Okay, see how I'm spreading the yogurt? It's totally like the pizza sauce. But it tastes different because pizza sauce is spicy and kind of bitter sometimes. But this card is sweet. Oh, I need some more for this piece. There we go. Spread it. Some more. Okay. So now I'm putting the bananas. See, one. I think there are a lot. I put two. One, there, one there. One there, one there. One there, one there. One there, one here, and one here. One banana here. Where? I don't have good bananas. There. So now I'm going to put on the pomegranate. Please try to use spoon, but I don't have the spoon. I used all of my spoons actually. Okay, run some here. Chopped in square shapes. So from here. I'm putting my apples on, and the apples need to be finely chopped. Apples and very small sliced apples. See how small they are? Here, whoops. Done putting the apples. Now, am I done putting everything? No, there's I think one more thing left. These are the dry fruits. See? We got some raisins and small pieces of cashew nuts. So I'm going to put them on. So actually, let's get the raisins. Now let's get some cashew nuts on. Oops, they're falling. One there and one there. One raisin here. There's some cashew nuts too. Oops, why are the cashew nuts falling? One raisin there. Cashew nuts. Kill some bit more cashew nuts. And now we put one raisin there. And let's get some cashew nuts. And yeah. So I made my first pizza. See? This is my first pizza. Look at the pizza. It looks so tasty. I made this pizza before once. And then everyone told me that it was delicious. And I also think it's delicious. It's very healthy and very delicious. I love it. It's so good. This is a very healthy pizza. I will share this pizza with my family members. I I know they will like this pizza very much. It's very healthy. And you will write in the comment box how you like this pizza. And if you like my video, please subscribe. And friends, stay safe, stay at home, and don't go out. Bye for today.